We're going to take a look at the electric vehicle stocks and ETF funds to build wealth for 2021. So stay tuned for the full episode. Thank you for watching. This is Richard with Wisdom Investor. We're going to take a look at the electrical vehicle market here today. Tesla dominated in 2020, created millionaires with the stock going up over 665%. So if you're wanting to get a piece of the electric vehicle market, we're going to talk about that here today. We're also looking at competition. Is Tesla going to have some problems with competition? What's the future market look like? We're looking at the overall market here. Here's General Motors, Toyota, Ford Motor Company. They still dominate the overall car market. Now here's Tesla down here at the bottom. And as there's more interest in the electric vehicle market, Tesla most likely is going to take a larger share. In Markets Insider here, Kathy Wood's ARK Invest expects Tesla to soar to $3,000 per share by 2025. Here's a graphic from Deloitte.com looking at the timeline of strategic OEM targets for electric vehicles. In 2021, Tesla is still dominating the electric vehicle market in the United States. However, there's other vehicles already out there and more to be released in the future. We're looking at the outlook for the electrical vehicle market. In 2021, it has about 10% share. By 2026, over 20%. We're looking at the Tesla stock over the last year, up 665%. It's right now around 692. Kathy Wood with ARK Innovation says it could go to 3,000. After a major surge higher and then a pause, many times new leaders start to dominate the market. If you're not sure what stock to buy, you can buy a ETF that specializes in the electric vehicle market. HAIL, H-A-I-L, Spider S&P 500 Kensho Smart Mobility ETF has been up 242% in the last 12 months. Here's some of the current holdings with HAIL. A good place to find stocks is to look at some of the top holdings some of these ETFs hold. They do a lot of research. They have a good idea on what stocks are going to be moving. For example, here's Plug Power. It has a 2.44% portfolio weighting in HAIL, and it was up over 1,000% last year alone. Another good ETF in the electrical vehicle market is the Global X Lithium and Battery Tech ETF. Over the last year, the stock ETF was up 212%. Here's the chart for the Global X Lithium and Battery Fund, symbols LIT. You can see it's had a little bit of weakness here recently, but as the electrical vehicle market continues to grow, the stock most likely going to move higher. Another good ETF to look at is the Global X Autonomous Electric Vehicles ETF, DRIV. Over the last 12 months, up 169%. Here's some of the top holdings: Intel, Alphabet, Microsoft, Toyota, Nvidia, Apple. Many of these stocks are supporting companies in the electric vehicle market. If you're looking for ways to add electrical vehicle stocks or ETFs to your portfolio to build wealth for your retirement, we looked at some ideas here today. Tesla is still a dominant stock. We looked at 3 ETFs I think could help you out. If you have any questions or comments, leave a comment. Stay tuned for future updates.